Imagine this: you wake up to the soft sound of birds outside your window. Golden sunlight slips through the blinds, and as you stretch out, you realize you're not in a hotel room, you're inside your own luxury motorhome. A cozy bed, a kitchen at your fingertips, and when you slide open the door, the world is right outside waiting for you. This is not just travel, this is freedom. And today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of one of the most talked about luxury RVs, the Benimar Tessoro T463. A motorhome that combines European design, clever hidden features, and yes, one of the biggest bathrooms you'll ever see in a vehicle this size. So buckle up, because this isn't just a review, this is a journey inside your potential dream RV. Let's start on the outside. From first glance, the Benimar Tessoro T463 feels modern yet understated. It's built on a Ford chassis, giving it that sturdy road presence while maintaining smooth drivability. The sleek lines, aerodynamic bodywork, and premium finishes make it stand out on the road without shouting for attention. At just under 7.4 meters long, it's compact enough to handle winding countryside roads, yet spacious enough inside to rival bigger motorhomes. The subtle graphics on the exterior, LED daytime running lights, and large panoramic windows all give it that signature Tessoro style. This is the kind of RV that turns heads when you pull into a campsite. Now, step inside, and this is where the magic really begins. The Tessoro T463 welcomes you with a warm, contemporary interior. Light-toned woods, soft LED accent lighting, and smart use of space make it feel like a modern apartment on wheels. The lounge area is inviting, with a large dinette that easily converts for both dining and relaxation. The seating is upholstered in premium fabrics, designed for comfort during long evenings spent reading, watching a movie, or simply enjoying the view through those big side windows. Overhead storage is tucked neatly away, and every corner feels purposeful, nothing wasted, nothing out of place. Move a little further in, and you'll find a kitchen that rivals many homes. A 3-burner gas hob, a stainless steel sink with a glass cover, and a full-sized refrigerator with freezer give you everything you need for life on the road. The countertop space is generous for a motorhome of this size, and hidden storage solutions mean your cookware, spices, and essentials can all be tucked away neatly. Cooking on the Tessoro doesn't feel cramped, it feels practical and enjoyable. Imagine preparing breakfast with sunlight streaming through the windows, then stepping outside to enjoy it under the open sky. And now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of the Tessoro T463, the bathroom. Unlike most compact RV bathrooms, this one feels almost residential. At the rear of the motorhome, you'll find a full-width bathroom that stretches across the entire back. Step inside, and you'll notice the space immediately. A separate enclosed shower with glass doors, not a plastic curtain, gives it a proper spa-like feel. The shower itself is surprisingly spacious, tall enough for most people to stand comfortably, and fitted with quality fixtures that feel premium. Next to it, you'll find a modern vanity with storage beneath, a large mirror, and clever shelving for toiletries. And yes, there's plenty of room to move, no awkward elbow bumping here. This bathroom alone is one of the key reasons why so many RV enthusiasts fall in love with the T463. It's comfort without compromise. Moving to the sleeping arrangements, the Tessoro T463 offers a clever design. Above the lounge, you'll find an electric drop-down bed that smoothly lowers at the push of a button. It's fitted with a comfortable mattress and reading lights, making it a cozy retreat after a day of adventure. At the rear, just in front of the bathroom, you'll find twin single beds, spacious, well-cushioned, and easily convertible into one large double if you prefer. Soft lighting, overhead storage, and wide windows make this area feel airy and restful. It's the kind of setup that works beautifully whether you're a couple looking for flexibility, a family, or even friends traveling together. But what makes the Tessoro T463 even more special are the hidden features tucked into every corner. Lift a seat cushion, and you'll discover hidden storage compartments perfect for valuables. The floor itself has cleverly designed lockers, giving you extra space for shoes, tools, or camping gear. USB charging ports are discreetly placed near beds and seating areas, and the LED lighting is all energy efficient. Even the wardrobes and cabinets are designed with thoughtful touches, soft closed doors, smart shelves, and easy access points. These details don't just add convenience, they make daily life inside the motorhome effortless. Now, let's not forget performance. Built on the Ford Transit chassis with a 2.0-liter EcoBlue engine, the Tessoro T463 offers a smooth, confident drive. You get plenty of torque for climbing hills, great stability on highways, and modern driving aids like ABS, ESP, and optional driver assist features. This is not just about parking at a campsite, it's about enjoying the journey there. Whether you're cruising along the coast, winding through mountain passes, or crossing countries, the Tessoro makes it feel relaxed and enjoyable. So, why does the Benimar Tessoro T463 stand out in 2025? It's because it finds the perfect balance between size, luxury, and practicality. You get a huge bathroom, rare in a motorhome this length, modern interior design, hidden smart features, and the driving comfort of a Ford chassis. It's not oversized, so you can go places that bigger motorhomes can't. And yet, inside, it feels spacious, airy, and genuinely comfortable for long-term travel. But now I want to hear from you. If you had the keys to this Tessoro T463, where would you take it first? Would you head to the mountains, camp by the beach, or maybe road trip across Europe? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your dream RV adventure. At the end of the day, the Benimar Tessoro T463 isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It gives you freedom, comfort, and clever design all in one package. The huge bathroom means no more compromises, the hidden features keep life simple, and the overall style makes it a joy to call home. This is more than a motorhome, it's your personal luxury getaway on wheels. Thanks for joining me on this 2025 luxury RV tour. If you enjoyed exploring the Tessoro T463 with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth motorhome tours, and share this video with someone who dreams of life on the road. Until next time, keep traveling, keep dreaming, and keep rolling forward.